Hey everybody, we're going to do 11 by 14 swipe today. Remember to use your tacks. I put my tacks in the crack of my frames where that keeps it from cracking my frame. My paint is 1 part white all-purpose glue and 1 part basic acrylic and 20 to 30% water. There is not any silicone in my paint. Be sure and wipe your swiper off each time. We're going to use some balloons. There's a lot of paint on here. Gotta get rid of some of this paint or it's not gonna do good. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty pour. That is a pretty pour.